Hello, welcome to this video on how to plan classes using Navigate in LCCC. First, you want to make sure that you are using the Google Chrome browser for the best experience. Next, you'll want to log into LCCC, and once in LCCC, go ahead and look for the Navigate app and open that. Once in Navigate, you'll notice the Planner tab at the top of the screen. Click on Planner to continue. Please take note, when you open Planner, you may see two different screens. If you see this screen about using a template, you can either use this template or you can just create a custom one or start from scratch. Once in Planner, you'll notice at the top left corner of the screen the major that you are currently pursuing. This student's is criminal justice. If you do not see a major in the left-hand corner of the screen, it could be because you're undecided, non-degree seeking, or your degree uses curriculum before 2018. If you aren't in any of those categories and still do not see a degree listed, please let your advisor know. As for this student, you'll notice that under her degree are the classes listed that she needs to take for her degree. Take note that all the classes are listed as they should be taken from top to bottom. The first step you want to take to planning your courses is making sure you have the right semester listed for your terms. This student has Spring 2021 Dental 1, but she needs Spring 2021. So you can click on the 3-bar menu next to Spring 2021 Dental 1, take that off, and you can add new term. Once you have the correct term listed, you can start planning your schedule. You can either drag and drop the classes you need from the classes listed on the left, or for an easier and quicker way, you can click on Quick Planner in the top right corner of the screen. Quick Planner allows you to pick the course load that you would like to take at LCCC. You can either be full-time or part-time. It also allows you to pick what semesters you'd like to take courses. For this student, she will be a full-time student taking classes in spring and fall. Once you have picked the options that satisfy you, go ahead and click on Preview Template. Navigate will then generate your class schedule for every semester until you're done with your degree. If the template looks good to you, go ahead and click on Use this template. You'll notice now that all your classes have been planned and that your academic plan is completely filled out. One thing you'll want to check before proceeding to register are classes that say placeholder. If a class says placeholder, click on the arrow key next to the 3-bar menu. This will show you the classes that you are allowed to take for this credit. Go ahead and pick the class you would like to take to remove the placeholder symbol. Once you have picked the class you would like to take, you can now click on the View and Edit Schedule button to proceed to registration. For more on registration, please view our registration tutorial video.